Welcome children, welcome to your English class. The name of the story is The Magic Porridge Pot. This is a story of a girl, Tara, and her mother. Once there was a little girl named Tara. She lived with her mother. They were very poor. One day she went to a forest. There she met an old woman. The old woman gave her a pot. She said, "This is a magic pot. It will cook porridge for you when you say, 'Cook, pot, cook.' It will stop making porridge when you say, 'Stop, pot, stop.'" Tara was very happy. She ran to her mother and said, "Mother, we will no longer be hungry, as I have got a magic pot." Tara said to the pot, "Cook, pot, cook," and the pot cooked porridge. Her mother was very happy, and they both ate porridge. One day, when Tara had gone out, her mother felt hungry. She said to the pot, "Cook, pot, cook." The pot started cooking porridge. After eating it, her mother said, "Do not cook, pot." But the pot went on cooking. Soon the porridge started spilling on the floor. Mother called out again, "Wait, do not cook anymore." But the pot did not stop. Mother ran out of the house and the porridge followed her. Soon there was porridge everywhere. The whole village saw it. They ran to eat the porridge. When Tara came back, she saw that the road was full of porridge. She ran back as fast as she could. She heard her mother shout, "Tara, the pot is cooking and it will not stop." Tara called out, "Stop, pot, stop," and it stopped cooking porridge. A folk tale. Children, now we are going to see some new words. M-A-G-I-C, magic, a tricky play. C-O-O-K, cook, make food, khana pakana. P-O-R-R-I-D-G-E, porridge, one type of food. Dalia. S-P-I-L-L-I-N-G, spilling, flow over, किनारों से बाहर गिरना. W-H-O-L-E, whole, all of, पूरा. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village, गांव. Reading is fun. Where did Tara go one day? Tara कहाँ गई थी? One day Tara went to a forest. What did the old woman give Tara? Old woman ने तारा को क्या दिया था? The old woman gave a magic porridge pot to Tara. What did the magic pot cook? The magic pot cooked porridge for Tara and her mother. Who said, "Do not cook, pot"? कौन बोला था do not cook, pot? Tara's mother said, "Do not cook, pot," but the pot went on cooking. Why was there so much porridge on the road? क्यों ज़्यादा porridge थी रास्ता में? There was so much porridge on the road because Tara's mother wasn't aware how to stop the magic pot from cooking the extra porridge. Let's write. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Three articles are a, an, the. Five vowels are a, e, I, o, u. Children, you should write and before the vowels. Once there was a beautiful garden. The garden had an apple tree, an orange tree, and a guava tree. In the garden lived a big giant. The giant did not like children to play in the garden. The giant used to eat a fruit every day from the garden, but he did not share these with the children. So his garden dried up. Children, hope you understood. Where do you write a, an, and the? The magic porridge pot. हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन. ये तारा नाम की एक लड़की और उसकी माँ की कहानी है. तारा और उसकी माँ एक घर में रहते थे और ये लोग बहुत गरीब थे. एक दिन तारा जंगल के अंदर गई. उधर एक बूढ़ी औरत से मिली. वो बूढ़ी औरत ने तारा को एक मैजिक पॉट गिफ्ट दिया. वो जादू की बर्तन लेके खुश हो गई थी तारा, और माँ के पास दौड़ कर आई मैजिक पॉट को लेकर, और उनको माँ को कहा, अभी हम लोग भूखे रहने का जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि हमारा पास जादू की बर्तन है. तारा ने कहा मैजिक पॉट को देके, पकाओ बर्तन पकाओ, और बर्तन दलिया बनाना शुरू कर लिया. तारा और उसकी माँ खुशी से बैठकर खाने लगे. एक दिन तारा बाहर चले गई थी और उसकी माँ को बहुत भूख लगी, और उसकी माँ ने जादू की बर्तन को देके कहा, पकाओ बर्तन पकाओ, और बर्तन दलिया बनाना शुरू कर लिया. उनकी माँ ने खुशी से बैठकर खाने लगी और उसके बाद कहा, मत पकाओ बर्तन मत पकाओ. फिर भी नहीं रुका बर्तन खाना बनाने का. रुको अभी मत पकाओ. और बर्तन नहीं रुका. पूरा दलिया घर में गिर पड़ी और पूरा सड़क पर दलिया थी. पूरे गांव में दलिया थी. सभी लोग दौड़ के आए और दलिया को खाने लगे. उस समय तारा वापस आई और तारा की माँ ने कहा, तारा ये पोरिज बनाना बंद नहीं कर रहा है. और तारा ने कहा, रुको बर्तन रुको, और बर्तन दलिया पकाना बंद कर दिया. और तारा और उसकी माँ दोनों मिलकर इस घर में खुशी खुशी रहने लगे. Children, do you want to make a porridge? Take a help of your mother. Make porridge from milk, broken wheat rice and sugar. Prepare the porridge and enjoy it. Stay healthy, stay happy. Happy learning. Bye bye.